Hello friends, is your cruise control acting up? Maybe it won't turn on, or it randomly disengages? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0585, this means there's a problem with the cruise control multifunction input A circuit. This can be caused by a faulty switch, damaged wiring, or even an issue with the cruise control module. But where exactly is the problem? Let's locate the components and fix this issue. What is P0585? The P0585 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input A Circuit. This means that the ECU is detecting an abnormal signal from the cruise control switch or buttons. Common symptoms of P0585: cruise control not engaging. Cruise control disengages on its own check engine light, CEL, is on unresponsive cruise control buttons, unexpected acceleration or deceleration. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty component. To diagnose P0585, check these key components. Cruise control switch. Location: on the steering wheel or steering column. This switch sends signals to engage or disengage cruise control. A faulty switch can cause inconsistent operation. Cruise control module. Location: under the dashboard or inside the engine bay near the firewall. This module processes input signals from the cruise control switch and controls the system. Clock spring, spiral cable assembly. Location: inside the steering wheel behind the airbag. If this part is damaged, it can cause faulty button signals, affecting cruise control. Brake pedal position sensor. Location: above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If this sensor sends incorrect signals, it may deactivate cruise control unexpectedly. Fuses and wiring harness. Location: fuse box under the hood or dashboard. Blown fuses or wiring damage can cause irregular voltage in the circuit. Common causes of P0585: faulty cruise control switch. Worn out or stuck buttons can send incorrect signals. Damaged clock spring. If broken, it won't transmit signals properly from the steering wheel to the ECU. Wiring issues or short circuits. Frayed wires or loose connections can cause erratic cruise control behavior. Blown fuse or bad relay. A blown fuse can stop power from reaching the cruise control system. Faulty brake pedal sensor. If the sensor sends incorrect signals, it may disable cruise control unintentionally. How to fix P0585. Step 1. Scan for additional codes using an obd2 scanner. Step 2. Check the cruise control switch. Replace if the buttons are unresponsive or erratic. Step 3. Inspect the clock spring, spiral cable. If damaged, replace it to restore proper signal transmission. Step 4. Test the wiring and connectors. Repair any frayed or disconnected wires. Step 5. Check the brake pedal position sensor. Replace if faulty. Step 6. Inspect fuses and relays. Replace any blown fuses to restore normal function. Step 7. Reset the ECU and take a test drive to verify the fix. Ignoring P0585 can lead to a non-functional cruise control system and unpredictable vehicle behavior. Fixing it early ensures smooth and safe driving. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0416, secondary air injection system switching valve, a circuit open. P0417, secondary air injection system switching valve, a circuit low. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.